Episode 4. How to draw a cute fairy. Hey everyone! Let's draw a fun jellyfish with me. It is going to be so much fun. Let's get started. Head. Start with an upside-down U shape for the head. Connect the ends of the U with a curved line to form a dome shape. Color the dome. Fill in the dome with a light pink color. Keep it up. Tentacle attachments. Draw small colorful circles along the bottom edge of the dome. These will be where the tentacles attach. Let's start with blue, orange, purple, red, green, light purple, and brown. Make it colorful. Draw tentacles. Nice work! Extend wavy lines downward from each circle for the tentacles. Make them different lengths and colors for fun. Add eyes. Near the top of the dome, draw two large, oval-shaped eyes. Draw the mouth. Just below the eyes, draw a small W shape for the smiling mouth. Final touches, add some cute stars or sparkles around the jellyfish to make it extra adorable. There you have it, a cute jellyfish perfect for practicing every day. See you later, friends. Don't forget to subscribe me. Thank you. Goodbye.